welcome back to the channel. I'm Tequila B with TruLuv Designs, and I just wanted to share with you everything I've made January through February. I don't think I've quite made anything in the month of March yet, so we're just gonna jump right into it. So let's start off with this accessory here. It is the Charlotte Beret, and I made this one in a size medium, and then also learned that I probably need to go back and make this in a size large. It is a little snug depending on how you wear your hair, maybe, because I can get it on, not too much trouble, but a size large would probably give me just a little more of the extra room that I need. Okay, I had to add a piece that I forgot about. Now this dress here is McCall's M8058. I really love the material. What I didn't realize is that because of the type of material it is, I think it's like a stretch crepe. Once it stretches out, it also like gets shorter as it stretches, if that makes sense. This dress was supposed to be a midi length dress, and when I put it on, it came like a little, about 2 or 3 inches above my knees, which is not where I wanted it. But I know next time to take that into consideration. Next is New Look 6346, which is this skirt here that I'm working on for my niece. Almost finished with it. I just have to put a hook and eye in here in the back, and this will be complete. This is the stretch denim that I got from Kiki Textiles, and I like this skirt and the way it falls so much when I place it on my mannequin that I am also going to make one for myself. Now this next dress I call the dress that made me a designer, because I I did hack in Frankenstein some patterns to come up with this dress, the ideal dress that I wanted. So this was my Valentine's Day dress. So the bodice and the neckband is Charm Patterns Barbie Top by Gertie, and then the skirt and the sleeve portions are from New Look 6682. This dress I absolutely love. I finally wore it to work on Friday and everybody really loved it. I had to make some adjustments. Oh, there's a hole. I'm sorry. I just seen there's a hole in my, okay. Anyway, I had to make some adjustments to the bodice. I cut off like about 3.5 inches from the original bodice. Then I attached this, so it's almost like an empire bodice, like it cuts across here, and then I did leave that seam in the center back so that it will fall just the way that I want it to. This next garment is Simplicity 8452. It is a 1950s vintage pattern. This is a one-piece pattern, okay? One-piece pattern. You have to stay tuned for the full review on this pattern because I still have mixed feelings, but and my markings are still there because I'm not even completely finished with it because I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but stay tuned for the video so you'll know what I'm talking about. But this is one piece. It's easy to sew, easy to come together. I have no complaints there, but it's a little tricky. The next garment is McCall's M7910. Now this is a one-shoulder jumpsuit that I was also making for my birthday, but this turned out to be way too big and the fabric did stretch as I sewed it. As you can see here, the neckline is kind of curvy or whatnot. I'm still thinking about going in and sizing this down so that I can wear it, because overall, I mean, it's not bad. I still want to get some use out of it. Like, I bought this fabric with the purpose of wearing it, and that's what I plan to do. So I may go in and make adjustments to this, make it fit, maybe size down a little bit on it. I haven't decided yet, but that's that. I don't really have a lot to say about that one. Now, last but not least, we have McCall's 7851, which is a bag pattern. And I made view B of the pattern, and y'all, I absolutely love this bag. It's really nice. It's roomy on the inside. Like, this is how big the bag is. The inside, there is lining as well as a pocket. And oh, there's my earrings. I was looking for those. Found my earrings. Okay, so this bag goes like this, and you fold it down, and you take your large handle and you put it through your smaller handle, and there you go. You have your bag. Now, you also can get creative with this bag and add you another pocket on the other side of the inside, or put you one on the outside, or however you want to do it. You can do this pattern any way you like, but I've been using this bag like to carry like my hair things in it and my makeup when I'm like on the go and on the run, and I just throw everything in here, and I have loved it. It's very, very roomy. So those are the 7 items that I made in the month of January and February. Stay tuned because there's more to come. Now, if you've enjoyed seeing these makes, make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on more sewing content like this. And until next time, I'll see you in the next video.